Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to guys. In this video, we're going to discuss how to delete the Git branch locally and also remotely. Without any further ado, let us start the video. Guys, as you can see here, if I type Git branch, I could see master and new branch. I'm in my new branch. If you see the remote, here I only have master branch. Remote branch is new branch is not there. So I'll let us create a branch. Okay. So just now here I've created a test branch. I've checked out one. So I've master new branch test branch. If I go back to my remote, I'll not be seeing anything. Okay. Let us now do some settings here. So let me go back to Visual Studio. So let me add something. Added test branch. All right. So save this. So you know what we have to do. We have to add git add a dot and then have to git commit minus m and simple commit. I just click on that and then I can add few of the other things. Let me add one m. So it will commit now. So next I have to do git push origin and okay. So now it will push the changes. All right. Once the changes are pushed, let us go to my remote. So I can see test branch has been there. Just compare and pull request. Just I'll merge the changes so that I could see two branches here. Something like this, I'll create a pull request. So I'm not adding any of the reviewers. Usually we should add reviewers. I'll merge the pull request. I'll confirm merge. Here you can delete the branch, but this will delete only in the remote, but it will not delete in the local. Okay. So now if I go back to tutorials, so I could see here, I could see a master test. Okay. Now what we'll do, we'll delete from Visual Studio. Let me add CLS here. Okay. So for the delete command, we'll use, let us type git branch first. These are branches. So let me delete the test branch locally. Okay. Let me check out master. So once I check out to master, if I add git branch, so it will show you that you are in the master. Okay. So now you have to add git branch. Now you can delete the branch. So you can use this command. So yeah, copy this, paste it here. This here the branch has been deleted. Okay. So let me go to the remote. In remote, you can still see the test branch. Okay. For deleting in remote, so go back to your Visual Studio. Okay. So then we have to add a simple command. So git push origin and you have to colon and you have to test branch. Okay. Now you have already pushed this particular branch. Now it should be deleted on the remote. Okay. Let me open my remote. You can reload it. No, you should not see the test branch. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.